In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting using a meeting ID. This handy guide is perfect for anyone, whether you're a first-time user or just need a quick refresher. So let's get started. First off, you'll need to navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. Once you're there, look for the sign in button, click it and log in using your account details. This step is crucial because you need to be logged into your account to join any meeting. After successfully logging in, your next step is to head over to the calendar. You'll find the calendar option in the main menu or dashboard of the Microsoft Teams interface. The calendar is where all the magic happens. It's where your meetings are scheduled and where you can join meetings. Once you're in the calendar view, you might notice your upcoming meetings. But since we're here to join a meeting using an ID, you'll want to look for the option that says Join with an ID. Click on that. This option is specifically designed for those instances when you have a meeting ID and passcode, but the meeting isn't showing in your calendar or you've received the details through another channel. Now, in the section that opens after you click Join with an ID, you'll see two fields. Here's where you paste the meeting ID and passcode that you've been given. These details are unique to each meeting and ensure that only invitees can join, enhancing the meeting's security. After entering the meeting ID and passcode, you'll want to proceed by clicking on Join Meeting. This is essentially the last step. By clicking this, you're requesting access to the meeting. If the details you entered are correct, you'll be added to the meeting, and you'll soon see the meeting interface, complete with participants and meeting controls. A couple of tips to enhance your experience. Always check your audio and video settings before joining the meeting. You want to ensure you can be heard and seen clearly. Also, if you're early, don't worry if you don't see anyone else. You might be the first one there. To recap, signing in, navigating to your calendar, selecting Join with an ID, entering your meeting ID and passcode, and finally clicking on Join Meeting are the straightforward steps you need to follow to join a Microsoft Teams meeting with a meeting ID. And that's it. You're now ready to join Microsoft Teams meetings with just a meeting ID and passcode. With this simple process, you'll never miss another meeting. Whether it's for work, school, or a casual catch-up, joining a Teams meeting has never been easier. So happy meeting.